Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I'm going to be giving you guys my daily routine on how I achieve my brows. I know a lot of you have been asking, so I am here to give you my daily routine on what I do to achieve my brows. So if you want to see how I do what I do, just continue to watch. Alright guys, so to begin, I'm going in with my NYX dual brush to set my eyebrows to go in the direction I desire. And then I go in with my Pore Perfection by Benefit, and that's just to prime my eyebrows to get them set to go in the direction that I desire. Alright guys, so right here I'm going in with my NYX angle brush, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. And what I'm doing here is pretty much just outlining my brows. My brows are already pretty much thick, so I'm just going in and pretty much outlining them, making sure that my arch is pretty much defined, and that if there's any areas that may lack shape, that I'm going in with that and just defining it more. Okay guys, I know y'all see me keep looking over there, and that's my mirror because I cannot look straight at the camera because it will really kind of throw me off. I tried it, that's why I keep looking. I try to look at the camera, but it's not that easy. But as you can see here, once I have achieved the desired outline of my brows, I went in a little bit with the pomade and just filled in some areas, and then I go in with the spoolie and just try to like blend in the areas that I did fill in a little bit with the pomade. And then next, what I'm also going to do is go in with my NYX pencil, and what I do is I just fill in some more in the areas of my brow to darken up spots that may have a little bit of, you know, open or spacey areas from where I outlined it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already filled in with the NYX pencil as well as the dip brow. So now I'm just going in with this spoolie and just pretty much brush the hair as well as the product in the direction of my brows. I will also brush it in the opposite direction, but for the most part my desire is to brush it in the direction of the brow. Listen, and I know you're like, Jasmine, you just filled it in. Listen, I don't know anybody who does their brows quick, but me doing my brows is the longest process of my makeup. I know you're like, well, what about all that? I know that takes a while, but I mean, like, brows is a serious situation, so I definitely have to just take a look, come back, take a look and come back multiple times. But that's just me. Maybe somebody else is different, but anywho, as you can see here, I'm going in with my MAC, and this is the MAC angle brush number 183. These numbers are crazy, but I'm going in with the concealer by Maybelline in the shade Honey, and that's number 30. And what I'm going in is just to outline my brows, and this is just to clean up my brows some more. Pretty much this helps define it even to another extent because it cleans up areas that I may have over traced the brow. It cleans that area up, and I know for my bottom of my brows I like to go in with a lighter shade to help highlight and make sure that it is crisp So that's what you see here. I'm just pretty much going in and cleaning up my brows, and I'm going in with a basic angle sponge, and I'm just cleaning up that brow. And then next, what I'm doing here is going in with my Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going in with the shade Full Coverage Concealer, and this is just a hair store brand, because the number here is like, it's tan, but it has like CJ07. I know, y'all, that's crazy, but that is what I'm using to outline the top of my brow, because that is more of my skin tone, or closest to it, because my concealer or my foundation will cover my brows. But pretty much I like to use two different shades. Some people use the same for both, but either way it really doesn't matter, because once you put on your foundation, it really does not show. So it's really your own preference. Alright guys, so here I'm going in with my e.l.f. brow gel, and this is definitely optional to use for anyone, but I like to use it because I like how neat and straight it makes my eyebrows look. Now for anybody who has wild brows, you know, I would advise you to use a brow gel, because it helps assure that your brows go in the directions that the rest of your brows are going to, and that you don't have any wild straggler hairs going with you. But for the most part, it just helps with the structure of your brows. And then as you see here, I'm just going in again with my spool and just, you know, setting it out for my brows in the beginning to make it softer. And that's where you'll see me just keep blending it out with my concealer with my hands, as well as with the brush, just to make it look more softer and natural for my brows. And guys, I told you, like, after you take a look back and as you keep looking at your brows, you'll see little areas that you need to fix or clean up. And that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Like, I'm just going in with concealer and I'm just touching up, or, you know, fixing my arch. And that's why I'm taking a look back at it to see where I need to correct or fix, or what areas may not be at best. But for the most part, I'm pretty much done with my brows. I'm just going in and just trying to clean up areas, going back in where I see little spots that I could fix more, or just fixing any areas that I need to correct that may not make my brows look like sisters. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to continue to touch up where I see fit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my step-by-step process, and if you guys like what you see, continue to comment what you want to see next, like and share my videos, and I will see you guys in the next videos.